With 15 plus years of expertise, we provide end-to-end dropshipping supply chain solutions for toys and baby products, helping brands simplify production, cut costs, and scale efficiently. Our services include product development and ready-to-ship sourcing. From concept to compliant manufacturing, ask more CPC. Custom packaging and branding, designed to boost product appeal. E-commerce integration and logistics. Seamless multi-channel fulfillment, so you can operate with lower budget and risk. Let us help you bring products to market faster and smarter. Open to a quick chat? We develop and deliver. You sell and scale.